We're actually doing the very first install here at Best Friends this morning. We're putting in several units at the Roadhouse here, and then we have several more at the other locations. Ready to get after it this morning.
So the Roadhouse is the Best Friends operated hotel, and we also have a Mercantile, and we're located in downtown Kanab, and it's your place to come and relax and be with your pet while you're volunteering, visiting the sanctuary, visiting all of the beautiful sites that Southern Utah have to offer.
This is the guest laundry. We've cleared it out to put in some new units from Speed Queen. A lot of red rocks, a lot of red sand, build up on clothes, shoes, whites. Everything just kind of has that iron oxide on it, I guess is what it's called. Every human, there's 2 pets, so. With that said, yeah, a lot of laundry needs due to that. Reliable equipment is huge. We like to have good stuff. We like to have stuff on hand that's gonna work for us.
So I say we give her a test run. What do you think?
Right.
That thing looks nice.
Yeah, and that interface is pretty self-explanatory.
Oh yeah. I mean, you have like every single setting that you could imagine. That's a lot better than what it was for sure.
Yeah.
And do it like I would at my own house. So.
That's right.
One down, one, and several to go. All right. Pretty good shot there. Sprays actual mist in here, and it actually works, really well from what I hear out there. So, the steam feature. All right, this a lot better than it was when we got here. I can tell you that right now. It's very, very awesome looking in here to me.
Smooth, quiet, running good. Steam's hooked up.
And they have all the different Pet Plus features, pet hair removal features, which is a 10 minutes. There's no water involved. It just basically gets the hair off the item before you actually wash it.
So the first thing you do is put it in the dryer prior to the washer.
Dryer first, 10-minute cycle, and then straight into the washer. Whenever you're done with that wash cycle, you can do the actual pet item Pet Plus feature. So yeah.
Fantastic. Yeah, every room's equipped with pet beds underneath, so perfect. It's great news.
Awesome. Okay, so let's go do the next one. Ready?
Yes, sir.
We're in the hotel laundry where they do all their linens. They have other machines here, but this one is going to be used as well, and we're excited to get it installed. That looks really, really good. Look at that.
We're pretty excited about our laundry room. We like how efficient it is, and we like that we can give the best service possible to our guests. When you stay in our comfy beds, you're gonna get triple sheeted. You're gonna get a duvet that's also wrapped in a sheet. You're gonna get 4 non-down synthetic pillows. You'll have a cozy blanket and a throw, and you'll have fresh dog bedding too. You're traveling, you have your pet, and the last thing you want to do is walk into a room that doesn't feel fresh and clean, and you don't want your pet to even smell any other pets because that can result in accidents. So we want it to be as fresh as possible.
I got it.
Okay.
Is there a clamp that was on the bottom of this? We're looking good. We're looking good. Ready? Look how beefy this is. That's never gonna go bad. That hinge is there forever. This is like so well made. And see how this is a true hinge that's in the actual sheet metal itself? I mean, with like tapping screws on both sides. It's just beefy. It's just made the way that things, supposed to be made. All right, how to break a sweat on that one. Everything looks good to me. Heating good, no leaks. We installed your, stack units. We actually put all new, venting in for you guys. So I think that, you know, the way that it actually was, you know, before, this dryer should actually dry even better now. But you can use, you know, the sanitize if you have any of those that, you know, the pets may have done, you know, something on that you want to get extra clean. Of course, you know, whites for different, you know, towels and all that. To use that, you know, extra spin to make sure that you can get it, you know, dry, you know, completely. So you can, you know, delay start it for, you know, 1 hour and just, you know, keep on going more.
Well, that's way cool.
Yeah, so you can do it like, you know, 6 in the morning or, you know, 5 in the morning, and then it'll be done whenever you actually, you know, walk in, and you can go straight to the dryer. Looks good there.
Yeah, it does.
How long have y'all actually been out here in this spot?
Best Friends has been there since 1984. They moved into that canyon. Now the hotel itself's been there for like 2 years.
Really cool, definitely, to be, you know, small part of all this.